Hoş geldiniz. Ben İbrahim Usta. Şu anki kullanmış olduğum tezgah ayakla çevirmeli bir tezgah. Günümüzde eski yanımsatsın, boztaşı olsun diye kullanırız. Seri üretimlerde ise bunların elektriklerini kullanıyoruz. Aynı zamanda 1,5 metre ve üstündeki ürünlerde çıraklık eğitimlerinde de bu tezgahlar kullanırız. İki farklı çeşit toprak türüyle çalışırız, kırmızı ve beyaz olmak üzere. Bölgemizi ortadan ikiye ayıran Kızılırmak'ın karşı tarafından şu anki elimde görmüş olduğunuz kırmızı toprağı. Ürünlerimiz bu şekilde yapılır. Sonrasında 8 ila 20 gün aralığında özel seramik kurutma odalarında kurutulur. Hiçbir hava akımı ve gün ışığı olmayan ortamlarda. Sonrasında ürünlerimiz 800 ila 1200 derece aralığında ilk fırınlanmalara girer. İlk fırınlanma işlemi bittikten sonra ürünlerimizin yüzeyinde hiçbir şablon ve kalıp yardımı kullanmadan tamamen Hitit, Osmanlı, Selçuklu, Cappadocia motifleri ve aile çalışmaları.
Peki çıraklık veya ustalık kaç senede falan oluyor?
Minimum öğrenim süreci 5 ila 7 yıl, ustalık süreci de 8 ila 13 yıl aralığında değişiyor. O yüzden günümüzde çok tercih edilmeyen mesleklerden bir tanesidir çömlek. Evet, bakalım kapak devreye oturacak mı? Takımlarımız hemen orta kısımda. Güveç ve orta takımlarımıza kazanıya tarafından hazırlayabiliyoruz.
Burada kötü olsa
Guys, I feel very good. Sleeping is so important.
Gece 2 gibi İstanbul'da.
When you sleep, everything is gonna be okay. Just sleep. 10 hours.
Görüyorsunuz. Şu an istiyorsa, fotoğraf çekilmek istiyorsa da
To be honest, weather is crazy, but you know, I'm not skinny, so I can survive. I can survive. Wow. Guys, like I fell in love with this city. I live in Istanbul. I saw lots of beautiful places, and I also went to a European country before. But this city amazed me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I want to stay. I don't want to leave. If you come to Cappadocia, at least you should stay here like 4 days, at least. Those buildings are hotel. It's like a dream, and this place is so old. Everything is like just amazing, so beautiful. I wish I had a home here. Actually, I want houses in every beautiful city, in every beautiful country. I wish I had a home. I was so nervous before when I was talking, but right now I feel good. But the thing is, I need to hold my phone properly because I didn't buy a camera, but I'm gonna buy a camera soon. Those are look like historical places, like historical buildings, but I don't know. You know this building? They had a series in that Turkish series, but the door is closed, and I think I cannot go inside, right? I'm not allowed because I don't have enough subscriber, guys. I have an incredible view behind me. I'm gonna show you guys, don't worry. Known as the Sultan of Hearts and the Dervish of the Dervishes, Hacı Bektaş Veli is one of the most important spiritual figures in Anatolia. He was not only a mystic but also a teacher and a leader who brought people together during a time of a big change. He lived in the 13th century after the Mongol invasions. At that time, Anatolia was not stable and many people were moving from place to place. And Hacı Bektaş Veli helped people by teaching simple but very powerful ideas like kindness, love, and equality. He believed everyone should be respected no matter their religion, language, or social status. His teachings focus on the inside of a person who taught people to look into their hearts to find the truth. He also taught people to control their actions, their words, and their desires. These ideas became a guide for many generations. He is also known as the spiritual leader behind the Bektashi order, a Sufi tradition based on love, tolerance, and human values. His influence even reached groups like the Janissaries, the elite soldiers of the Ottoman Empire who followed his teachings in their daily lives. Today you can visit his shrine in Hacı Bektaş in Cappadocia. Inside the complex, there are different sections like courtyards, prayer areas, and dervish rooms where followers used to live and learn. People also walk through the museum areas to learn more about his life and teachings. This site is also recognized by UNESCO and is on the World Heritage, which shows its cultural and historical importance. Even today, many visitors come here not just as tourists, but to feel the peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. Hacı Bektaş Valley is still remembered as a symbol of love, unity, and understanding. I couldn't breathe like for 3 hours. I was in the bus. Right now I'm waiting for my gözleme. It's like a traditional bread, potato in it. It's potato. She said it's hot. So how does it taste? Tadı nasıl? Daha çiğnemedin ki. Ben bekliyorum. Me. Thank you. Thank you. Exercise is important, especially when you're in the bus for 10 hours. My sister is just always copying me. Oh my god.